Type in resource group in global search bar at the top in the Azure portal. Then, click on Create button to open the resource group creation page. In the resource group creation page, enter the resource group name. Select a region where you want to create the resource group. I have selected Central India region. Click on Next to add tags. Tags are optional key value strings to enable better management of resources. You can add tags for environment, business unit, and any other identifiers. Then, click on Review and Create to create the resource group. You can click on the bell icon on the top right upper corner to monitor the status. Once it's ready, click on the resource group name to view the details of the resource group. You can view the tags as shown. You also have the option to delete the resource group. You must remember that deleting the resource group will delete all the resources under that resource group. Thank you for watching this video.